My first test print of the new printer, and I'm just going to stress the daylights out of it. This is a print of chainmail. Of course, it's not metal, it's plastic, but it's going to be chainmail. And that's one of the beauties of 3D printing. That's the first layer. It looks beautiful to me. Really hard to get a first layer that good. And the first layer is your most important layer. It better be right. So this is 60 of these. This is one individual link that was printed out. And you can see down in the center, if I can get a hold of it, there's a square or circular area right in the center that connects two levels of plastic that's shaped like one link. And then, like I say, this one printed okay. And now I'm trying to print 60 of them already linked together. Oops. We'll see how it comes out. It takes about 6 hours to print, if it succeeds. And that's a big if. This is one of the hardest things to print on a 3D printer that I could find. And right there, layer 1 is the most important, and I think I got layer 1 figured out. And it's starting to take shape. It's starting to get up to the point where the little squares in the centers are supposed to be drawn, and they're rotated 45 degrees. Where's that 90? Probably 90. Anyway, you can see the little squares in the center right there starting to be put in. Starting to get some depth to it, but I know you can't see that on this camera shot. It's actually build surface between all these. Looking good, 2 hours in. Well, after 5 hours and 25 minutes, there it is. It looks good. It feels good. One of the hardest prints there is to get printed, and it looks great. Let's see if it comes off easily. Alright, let's see if it'll break. To get them all broke loose. There's 60 of them. I have to use a little needle nose just to get to some of them. But they all seem to be breaking loose. Go through them one time. There we go. So, it's a bunch of chain links. They may be plastic instead of metal, but it is a basically 60 little links And when they were printed interleaved, connected to each other. So this is like a plastic chainmail, and it's completely, well, it's not flexible, but all the links make it a movable piece of plastic. It's wild. Okay. I pretty much like the way the printer's printing right now, too. I think all the upgrades have really worked out well. All right, thank you very much. So this is the build surface side, and that really looks good. All 60 of them seem to be printed the same. They're uniform. Picks up the grain of the build surface well. This was the printed side, and you can look at them. There are 60 little perfectly formed duplicates. It just really is very, very well printed. I am so pleased right now. Again, a second thank you.